Productions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again, it's your boy Mr. Inconsistency. Welcome again, it's your boy eldohradoproductions. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button. Follow me on our social media platform at eldohradoproductions. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about why I haven't been uploaded since the last 2 months and so forth like that. And a little bit of what I've been working on over the past 2 months. Now, since of March, I have been going through the business side of the record label and so forth like that, and getting some stuff straightened out, including the business accounts and separating monies and re-registering some things and the whole 9 yard, getting some sort of merchant things dealing with, because I've worked with a lot of clients and people wasn't working ideally out for me personally. So in another video I will really explain that. Now besides that, you will notice in videos going forward that I am working between the doublers. You will see that also, and reason being because of the recent changes in the Pro Tools system. I said I don't really want to wait until I make extensive amount of decisions, because my license has lapsed, and to pay for another upgrade, and then I'm not going to pay for another upgrade till I see something that is very suitable to me. I will pay for another upgrade. So I think eventually I'm going to lose that license. So I want to start working in another DAW where I have control over my license, different from when I'm paying for rental products. Because to rent Pro Tools for an entire year, for me, it's going to cost me around 50,000 Jamaican dollars per year to rent it. Not saying that I don't make more than that, but for me, living overseas, it is quite challenging, because a dollar is not a dollar for us out here. Besides that, there's a lot of things that I really want to talk about. As you can see, I'm shooting inside. I'm trying to get my lighting right and doing more videos like these, like videos where you can actually see me and some of my equipment behind me and so forth like that. I really want to change up the scenery. I'm still going to shoot videos outside. I prefer to do it outside, but I want to do this particular video here to see if I'm getting certain things right. Bear in mind, in this room, there's no air conditioning. So I got to keep videos short in order to not be in so much heat whatsoever. Now, things that I will brush up on going forward is music publishing, because I've been doing a lot of reading about publishing, and there are certain things that really surprise me in that regards when it comes on to music publishing. So I will shed a lot of light on music publishing, because a lot of us making beats, producing songs, and the whole 9 yard in music. And when you come on to the business part of the music, we are not familiar with certain terms, certain rights of grants and so forth like that. So I think I will make a whole series on music publishing from what I have learned and understand over the years, and what I have learned new when it comes on to music publishing. Because as I said, a lot of us making beats, we're putting out the beats, we're releasing the beats and so forth like that. But there are many ways to really make money, even when you put beats for sale, even when you link up artists and do splits and whatever the case may be. There's a lot to it where you can make money. Now for me, I am doing music full time, because the last job, I have quit my job in 2017. I have doing music ever since. Not saying that you should. You can do your 9 to 5 same way and do your music same way. That's how I did it. But At the time, my music was making more money than what I was working, so I said I'm going to invest more time in my music, and I have learned a lot of things along the way. I faced a lot of challenges. I have, grown. I have learned a lot. So, there are things that I can share and I will share with you. And some people kind of hang up on certain things, and some people not gonna lie me, because I'm going to share a lot of useful information that you can use, and it is theory that has been tested, works and things that, the music industry where the people way up here so can not really want to know. But if you're being educated about something, you can really exploit it to your own will. Meaning that from the artist, the producer, the songwriters, and so forth like that, everyone can really benefit from music, because the lack of knowledge in music, in dancehall overall, make some of we think about the money where the artists are get paid, or the money where you charge the artist, it just stay there so. There's more to it than that. You can really earn more, and music is a long-term business. Now, not saying that it don't have to do with the pre-production and so forth like that, but majority of it, as it comes on to the end of the day, it is business, and you have to learn the business side of music. And these are the things that I have put together, the topics that I have put together since the last 2 months. I have been, researching, getting some things right. As I said earlier in the video, I'm going to share that in another video. So without further ado, it's about Eldorado and Think. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next series of videos that I'll be dropping. I'll be, doing more of this face video I don't know what they call it, but I'll be doing more videos like this to explain a lot of things, and I'm going to do tutorial in between, but there are things that I really want to share with you, and doing it this way and talking to you through the lens of this camera, I think will be best. So without further ado, it's about Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter at Eldorado Productions. Peace out.